Hi, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Michael Marth. Here I'm going to provide a couple of suggestions on ways to reduce stress. The first would be around how much caffeine you drink. I found that by reducing the amount of caffeine, that has helped me reduce my stress. The second would be around finding an activity that will help you decompress. Myself, I'm an early riser, and I found that by going out to the gym first thing in the morning or going for a walk, that has helped me, clear my mind, focus, and increase my energy through the day. The third would be about breathing. Here I leverage a feature on my watch which notifies me through the day to take a minute to slowly breathe in and breathe out, and that helps me relax through the day. The fourth would be about being mobile. Here again I use a feature on my watch that notifies me when it's time to stand up. When I stand up, I'll go for a walk, grab a glass of water, but at the same time, take that moment to stretch and help get the blood flow through my body. Drop me a line in the comment section below and let me know if you find any of these tips helpful. As well, what are you doing to manage your stress? If you found the videos useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos to come.